Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pam.
I'm Javon.
And today I decided to surprise my boo with a picnic.
Oh yeah.
So today guys, we're officially on vacation. Yay! And I wanted to thank Javon for everything, for the man that he is, for making my life beautiful. And I have a surprise for him under the paper here.
Yeah.
That's our picnic, that's our lunch, that's what we're gonna have today.
Okay.
You have to open the wrap.
You did this, Bo?
Yeah? You thought I bought it?
Yeah.
I did it. I did it myself today.
Oh.
I worked hard.
Oh my god.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it. It's nice.
It's pretty, huh?
Yeah. So you think about all of this today?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
I wanted to thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for being loyal,
Okay.
for being a good man, for working hard. And I love you.
I love you too. Hooray!
So, you gonna pop that bottle?
Yeah.
Did you see the hearts? I made some little tomato hearts.
Yeah.
So guys, if you continue watching this video, you're gonna see how I made this amazing board. If you would like a tutorial on how I cut my fruits and how I place them, please comment down below. It would be my pleasure to make a tutorial on that. And thank you for watching.
Okay guys, so I never opened champagne. So
Don't careful the birds. Yay!
yeah.
Vacation!
That's nice. Caramelized onion.
It's delicious, isn't it? Now, a little bit of salami, spicy salami, a little bit of onion, and tomato.
How you doing there?
So this is bread, salami, tomato, caramelized onion, and camembert cheese.
Oh yeah, that's the thing. Oh yeah. This is a bomb. All my favorite fruit. I have to give Pam a thumbs up for this one. The big surprise. She like
Don't look when you come home.
So I guess we can say that that was a success, wasn't it?
Yeah, man. We are so brother. Everything up on official.
There was a lot of food, and
It's
as
too-
you guys can see,
It's too much.
but you can't go wrong with fruits. So
Yeah.
where's your head? You're too tall.
Oh yeah. Sunlight. Big boats.
We usually like to take plane, and when we're on vacation we usually like to visit other countries, but unfortunately with the situation right now we prefer to stay here. So we're gonna be camping next week. We reserved a spot in the wilderness. We're gonna bring our fishing rod.
Let's see if we could catch the barracuda this time.
I'm gonna bring my survivor kit this month. And we're just gonna relax.
Oh yeah. You know what I mean?
And I think we're gonna bring you guys with us.
Oh yeah.
You still eating? Thought you were full.
You know, I have to keep my mouth occupied sometime, you know, if I'm not talking.
I was getting emotional this morning when I was thinking we're on vacation. Officially. We work so hard. We have so much stuff going on in our lives, and it's like,
I don't know how I find time for you two.
yeah, like
It's hard for me.
if some of you are YouTubing and editing your videos, you know that it takes minimum 2 hours of editing. So usually we film at night after work, and I wake up at 4 or 5 a.m. I edit my video at 4 or 5 a.m. and then I post them in the afternoon or in the evening. But yeah, it's a lot of work, but at least it's something that we love to do, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I like the camera sometimes.
I know you like the camera.
Camera action.
Yeah.
I want to go to the Philippines.
I went to the Philippines twice. I know he's gonna love it. He's gonna love it.
Babes, it smells so nice. Huh? It smells like foreign people. You want again?
I guess this is it, guys.
I
We've been relaxing.
I ate too much.
We ate too much. We almost finished a platter. Almost.
It's just like a few grapes. And,
Yeah, this girl helped us.
And this girl says, hey, crash the party.
So don't forget to tune in Saturday evening, Saturday night. Should I say Saturday night? Yeah, Saturday night. Because we're gonna be live, but we're gonna prepare something special for you guys. It has to be special. What are you thinking now, huh? It's always something when you're thinking, you go deep.
I go too deep. Sometimes I fall asleep.
All the time. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, this is us.
Freestyle. Wagwan everybody. I'll see you guys in the club tonight.
Peace.